When people ask me why I treat children, I can give them lots of different answers, but I think that the most kind of truthful answer is probably because I was ill as a child, and I think that I resonate with children who are ill, and I feel like I have a strong empathy for them, and I really want to make them better. So I think that's really the sort of original reason. And then everything in my life, without me realizing where I was going, led me more and more to this point of being a purely pediatric practitioner. So when I first qualified as an acupuncturist, I always had a few children in my clinic, and I noticed that I loved it, but I didn't really pursue it. And then when I had my own children, I realized just how many children there are out there who could benefit from treatment, you know, being surrounded with families with young children. And I knew that many of the conditions that they had were conditions that acupuncture is so effective at treating. And also many of the conditions Western medicine doesn't really know what to do about. You know, things like bedwetting or food allergies or ADHD, and if Western medicine can help, it's very often medication that then has side effects and the parents are concerned about the child taking it. So I just began to treat more and more and pursue more pediatric training. And then I got to a point where I was so busy with pediatrics that I found I was turning children away, and there was no one else to send them to, which felt entirely wrong. So I made the decision to hand over all my adult patients to other practitioners, and I stopped all my adult teaching. And I kind of took a leap of faith, really, and followed my heart. And I thought, I really want to spend all of my professional energy and all my time devoted not only to treating children, but the other sort of side of my passion is to convince or just to illustrate to practitioners that they should be treating children.
Why?
Because many of them come out of acupuncture school having maybe even been put off and having been told you shouldn't treat children. It's kind of the wrong thing to do. And so they understandably don't have the confidence to do it, even though pediatrics has been a specialism within Chinese medicine since the Song dynasty. It's incredibly well suited to treating children. It has a real understanding that children aren't just mini adults and that they don't come into the world perfect. You know, they actually kind of need some kind of support as they grow and develop to make sure that they do that in the most healthful way.